Hello friends, today I will show you how to make mastic models. So the materials we need to make these are some mastics, scissor and cycle wall tube pieces. See. So to make them, we will first take some mastics and we will take out the phosphorus with the help of the scissor. So keep these away from your eyes because they are harmful. You can take adult's help if you want. So we will drop the scissor and the phosphorus will shoot out. Now the second. Third. So let's make a triangle today. So we will need 3 mastics and 3 cycle wall tube pieces. So the wall tube pieces should be of this size. Now let's take the first wall tube and first mastic, and we will tuck this mastic in the center of the wall tube. So I will rub it a little bit because there would be some hairs, and I will tuck them till the center only, not till other else. And now let's take the second wall tube and the second mastic. So we will tuck this till half too. So it's a little hard to do this, but we can do. So we will get like this. And now we are remaining with this half. So we will take this mastic, so this, and we will tuck this till half from the other end. So we will get something like this. And now let's take the third mastic. Here. And the third wall tube. So we'll tuck this mastic in this wall tube till half. Okay. So can you see it? So like this, and we'll fold these two ends and we'll tuck this mastic in this wall tube. And we got a triangle like this. So if you want to make a square, then you will take 4 mastics and 4 wall tubes. So I will show you some shapes which I have made. So this is an equilateral triangle. So with the angle of 60 degree. So we can't make any other shape with this by folding the edges because the triangle is the strongest shape. So see, we can't make any other shape. Now this is a square with the 4 equal sides. So we can just make one shape with this, and the shape is rhombus. So with folding these 2 edges, so we will fold these like this and we will push these both inside, so like this, and we will get a rhombus. Also, if we fold these 2 edges a little bit and hold it horizontally, then we get a parallelogram. Now this is a pentagon. So mostly we can make an isosceles triangle with folding these two edges inside. See, like this. We get an isosceles triangle. Now, if we do this upside down and hold it here and press this edge inside, we get a trapezoid like this. Then I want to show you something very interesting. How to make a star with the pentagon. So we can't make like this. So this is the one edge and this is the second one. So first I will show you how to make it. So first this is our pentagon. Okay, so we'll first hold this and this part in the center, and we will take this and place it here. See, so on this part in the center, we'll take this part, then push this backwards and place this here like this and pull this downwards. So we get a shape like a fish. See, and now the last step to make a star is taking this tail of the fish upwards. So we'll fold this upwards, the tail, and we get a star. See, like this. So you can make some shapes with the pentagon. And the hint is that more sides of the shape, more shapes we can make. So now this is a hexagon, and as you know, the equilateral triangle has 3 sides and the hexagon has 6. So to make the triangle, we'll fold these 3 parts. So we'll hold these 3 and we'll fold them inside and we get a triangle. Then if we just take these 2 parts and fold them inwards, we get a rectangle. See, like this. And just if we slip it this side, then we get a parallelogram. So we can make other shapes too with these shapes. So there just should be more sides to the shape. Then we can make more shapes. So I have made some 3D shapes too. So this is a tetrahedron. So it is very little seen everywhere. So this is also called a triangular pyramid. So to make these 3D shapes, in the wall tube I have made some big holes and I have stuck the mastics in the holes. Can you see? So here is a hole and I have stuck a mastic in it. So we get an edge with 3 sides. See. And now I have made this other shape. So this is the inside figure of an octahedron. So the face with 8 sides. So here I have put 2 mastics extra. So see. So these 2 mastics. In the tetrahedron I just put 1. This one. But here I put 2. So if we take these 2 parts, so I have remained them like this only, and I have just put the mastics in these 2 parts. And if we fold these inwards, we get a plus like this. So we can make any other shape too, so like icosahedron and a square pyramid, so many more. So you can fold them anywhere. So we can't make more shapes than these 3D shapes because they have their own sides and faces. So like this. So friends, try this at home and enjoy the shapes of mastic models. Thank you.